In fact, we have more breaking updates coming in. There's high security a day before the results. The results are expected tomorrow, less than 24 hours to go, and 70 rooms have been set up, three-tier security that has been put in place as well for the storage of the EVMs. 5,000 personnel have been deployed for the counting day. So security has been beefed up as the counting is all set to begin in just a few hours from now. Tomorrow early in the morning as the counting will begin. Before that, security has been heightened. So there are secure rooms that have been put in place and three-tier security that has been put in place as well for the storing of the EVMs. There's also, remember, comes amid a lot of opposition leaders who have also raised a lot of questions on the EVMs, on the entire election process, as well as the security of the EVMs. And now 5,000 police personnel have been deployed for the counting day. My colleague Pradeep continues to stay live with us. Pradeep, security being heightened, of course, a few hours to go for the counting to begin.
Yes, you're absolutely right, because we have seen that several charges have been raised so far as the EVM and the security is concerned. So what actually the government is trying to, the Election Commission of India is trying to ensure that there should be a transparent process. So for that, already 700 storerooms have been created where the VVPATs and EVM machines will be kept. And besides this, 5,000 personnel had been deployed for the day when the counting will take place, so that there is no problem and process is free and fair without and proper transparency is maintained. And besides this, the three-tier security arrangement will also be made available wherever the counting will be going on, so that there is no kind of a problem. Okay. Because at the end of the day, they want that their process needs to be totally transparent, yes, so that there should be no problem around any of the counting centers. So that is, yes, what actually the administration as well as the Election Commission of India is trying to ensure. Because we've seen that several charges.
Security systems in place, strong rooms have been heavily guarded by the Central Armed Paramilitary Forces as well in the perimeter, while state armed police also secure the outer perimeter. Pradeep, thank you for joining us with those details.